Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and compose email in AOL Mail. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser you want and search for AOL Mail, and go ahead and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you've logged in into your account, all you need to do is click on the Mail tab right over here. And now inside of this Mail tab, all you need to do is click on a compose button that's going to be on the top left hand side of your screen. So let me just go ahead and show that to you once it loads up. So if you click on this compose button on the top left hand side of your screen, it's going to go ahead and take you to a compose page. So as you can see, it's taking me to a compose page at the moment. It's a bit slow, however it does do the job. So all you need to do is go ahead and enter who you're sending it to. Go ahead and write the subject and write whatever message you want to go ahead and send, and go ahead and click on send. You can also attach files right over here, or you could add gifs, add stationaries, and check spellings, and many more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.